Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to learn about subject pronouns. Let's get started. There are 8 subject pronouns in English. I, you singular, he, she, it, they, we, and you plural. Now let's learn about each of them. Subject pronouns I. I is a pronoun used to refer to oneself as a speaker. Now, lift your finger and point it at yourself. Then say, I. By doing so, you just learned about the subject pronouns I. Subject pronouns you. Now, turn your body and point to any person in the room in front of you and then say you. Remember, you can be singular, meaning one person, or plural, meaning more than one. Subject pronouns he and she. Point to a man or a boy, then say he. Point to a girl or a woman, and then say she. Subject pronouns it. Now look around and point your finger to anything in front of you. If you see a table, just point it to the table and say it. If you see a dog, point it to the dog and say it. On the screen, I only gave you 4 examples, which is a dog, a book, a ribbon, and a leaf. Point to each of them and say it to a dog, it to a book, it to a ribbon, and it to a leaf. Subject pronouns we and they. Now, point to yourself and then to your friends next to you and say we. Next, point to your friends next to you and say they. The difference between we and they. The word we always includes I and at least one person in the group. As an example, Emily and I go to the cinema. The word of they never includes I in the group. As an example, Donnie and Chelsea go to a cinema. Okay, everyone, thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye now.